have you ever noticed how some brands seem to be everywhere? Welcome. Today, we are going to show you how you can use AI-powered tools to boost your brand awareness. You see their posts, their ads, their content, almost like they're impossible to miss. That's not luck, that's strategy. And today, with AI-powered tools, even beginners can make their brand stand out. Brand awareness is the foundation of every successful business. If people don't know you exist, they can't buy from you. But here's the good news. You don't need a big marketing budget or years of experience to get noticed anymore. AI is leveling the playing field. Let's explore 3 ways you can use AI to boost your brand awareness starting right now. Number 1. AI-powered content creation. AI tools can help you write blog posts, design social media graphics, and edit videos in minutes. What used to take hours of effort, you can now produce quickly, and keep your brand consistently visible across multiple platforms. Number 2. Smarter audience targeting. AI doesn't just create content, it helps you understand who your audience really is. It analyzes trends, behaviors, and engagement so you know exactly what people want. This means your message gets in front of the right people, at the right time, without wasting energy or money. Number 3. Automated social media growth. AI can recommend the best times to post, suggest trending topics, and even create captions that capture attention. Instead of guessing what works, you'll have data-backed insights guiding your strategy. That means more reach, more engagement, and more people recognizing your brand. Here's the bottom line. AI isn't just for experts. It's for beginners who want to grow faster, smarter, and with less effort. If you start using AI-powered tools today, you'll put your brand on the map tomorrow. So, don't wait for your brand to be discovered by chance. Imagine reaching thousands of new customers without spending endless hours on marketing. That's the power of AI. Enroll now in Transform Academy's AI Business and Visibility course on our website by clicking the link below. Like, share and subscribe for more content.